What's going on, guys? Welcome back. I'm here with J4Bag. Today we're just riding out. Gonna explore around, listen to the R1's new exhaust, maybe take a couple photos. Be a pretty chill day. I'm getting ready actually to move out of this area, so this will probably be the last ride I take out here. Like antlers, bro. Come on, bro. You ready? Oh. Yep. Oh. Oh yeah. Don't forget. Don't forget. Help support the channel and subscribe. Comment below. Like the video. I ain't waiting for this van, bro. Schnidler. It sounds so much deeper. I also have a new mic setup too, so sorry if the video doesn't sound the best. I'm still trying to work out the kinks with that. My foot, I was trying to take my foot down, I got stuck on the peg. Damn, bro! Look how dirty that boy is. How them headers look though. Don't call me some weird name. I'm J4K, bro. You didn't know? I can't get the bike in neutral. It doesn't matter because we're leaving right now. Alright, now I really have no clue where we are. Significantly louder. It's like the difference between you putting the muffler on. Difference between you putting the muffler on. Yo! Oh, was I recording? Yeah! Front of the wheel and everything. Are you? Did he die? He's good. Did he die? He's good. He was inches away from death, bro, but he's good. Left, right? He's screaming left. Let's go left. Oh man, the squirrel, bro. The road's kind of like not that good though. Feels fine. I see a jump, homie. What, this one right here? I don't know if... Okay. That would have been hilarious if I just sent that bitch off that little fucking... Yo, that truck's getting it. He about to hit the... Oh my god. What? That blue truck scared me. That came out of nowhere. Why are you freaking out, bro? I don't like that. You're like a timid cat. I just can't get over this exhaust, man. Perp daddy. Holy sh**. Holy sh**. Were you recording? Yeah. Oh, the wind? I was setting the bike down and it blew me at the same time. That was crazy. Your bike was like this. It was like sideways.